Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Messenger. Before I get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if you're in Facebook Messenger and you would prefer a different profile picture, I'll show you how to update it. I'm on my iPhone. You can do this on a computer, Android, whatever you want. So let's open up Messenger here and tap on the three lines at the top left. Now let's tap on that gear icon at the top right here, and you can see right next to my profile picture is a little camera icon. I can tap on it and I have a couple of different options. Take photo, choose from your photo library, or use avatar. Let's choose from your library, and all I have to do is scroll down, and let's say I wanted to find a random photo in here somewhere. Let's say one of these ones. So I can do this and say I just want to zoom in a bit and say just use something like that, and I'm going to hit done here and then save profile picture, and just like this it has set my new profile picture in Messenger. I can hit done and you'll see at the top left there it updates that profile picture directly in here. Anybody that starts chatting with me in Messenger will start seeing that new profile picture. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.